Yibunei HaMikdash Hirtzio Inte Malai Okor Les Ozman.
Looking for wisdom that speaks to your heart? Say hello to Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe. Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe, brings ancient wisdom to today's world. Each week he dives into the Noam Elimelech, unraveling profound insights from the Parsha. Whether you're deeply versed in Torah study or just beginning your journey, Rabbi Kolakowski's teachings are accessible and inspiring. His unique approach not only sheds light on the text but also offers practical guidance for modern life. So, why not join us and discover the timeless wisdom of the Noam Elimelech? With Rabbi Kolakowski, every Parsha becomes a path to deeper understanding and personal growth. Tune in and let the Koblenzer Rebbe illuminate your week with Torah truths that resonate. Subscribe now to stay inspired and spiritually connected.
Shalom and blessings, welcome to our channel. Every Wednesday, Rabbi Kolakowski, affectionately known as the Koblenzer Rebbe, shares a teaching from the holy Hasidic volume, Noam Elimelech. This week, for Parshas Mattos, the Rebbe Reb Melech teaches a homily on Numbers chapter 30 verse 2, explaining how the power of the community of saints is stronger than when a saint is solitary. Let's watch.
Welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the holy Rebbe Reb Elimelech from Lezhensk. This week's Parsha is Parshas Mattos Masei. In the beginning of Parshas Mattos, we read, Vaydaber Moshe Roshei Mattos Livnei Yisrael. And Moses spoke unto the leaders of the tribes of the children of Israel. The word Mata, like the word Shevet, both words that mean tribe also mean a staff or a stick. Says the Heilige Rebbe Melech from Lezhensk, Tinei Tzadik V'Roisal Hamshich HaShpois Al Yisrael Tzorech L'Chavim Shara Tzadikim. That if a saint, a tzaddik, a righteous person, wishes to draw down blessings onto the Jewish people and to the Israelites, he needs to attach himself with the other saints, with the other tzaddikim, that through the words that he speaks with them, he's bringing down blessings to the entire Israelite nation. You see sometimes different tzaddikim, they come and meet together and speak about various things. And their conversations bring down these blessings. And they're helping him to this good, beneficial goal, to close the mouth of the prosecuting angel from upon him in the merit of the masses. But it's not the case when he's by himself. Then he needs tremendous energy and effort and power and a strong hand to quiet the prosecution of the Satan, that he should not be able to have any power over him. And so that's what we see in the book of Deuteronomy, that Moses, our teacher, may rest in peace, said, how can I lift up this people by myself? Moses was saying, when I'm all by myself and I'm not connected to the other righteous people, there's a tremendous burden upon me to bring them all of their needs. That's the meaning of, and Moses spoke to the leaders of the tribes. It means that he attached himself with the saints, Livnei Yisrael, to the children of Israel, Yisrael, meaning to the children of Israel, for the sake of the children of Israel. Amshich lahem shefa, to bring down to them blessings and influence. V'kalahoven, this is easy to understand. V'zeu uritzofen uvaysemen. This is the meaning of the verse where it says, awaken, O north, and come to the south. We'll put that up on the screen where that verse is from. I'll admit my ignorance. Means the reason that through this that we arouse the north, which it represents the archetype of bringing down blessings of prosperity, as it says that the gold will come from the north, avoy Seiman, and will go to the south, and will come to the south, to Shetavoy L'Madregas Seiman. You have to come to that level of Teiman, of Yemen, of the south, Yadrim. As the sages say, that he wishes to be wise should turn south. That by attaching oneself to the saints and the sages, canals we said above, then we can bring down blessings of prosperity. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. We shall all be blessed with prosperity and health and happiness and wealth and all good things. Have a good day and good Shabbos.
We hope you enjoyed this content. This channel has over 5,000 videos, including Torah commentary, podcasts, footage of Jewish and historical events, and much more. We are sure you will find more videos you will enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment. Rabbi Kolakowski often makes videos based on questions in the comment section, so you might have a video made just for you. By helping this channel grow, you are helping to spread Torah. God bless.
Yibnei HaMikdash, Hirtzia in the Malai, Okar les Ozman.
Looking for wisdom that speaks to your heart? Say hello to Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe. Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe, brings ancient wisdom to today's world. Each week he dives into the Noam Elimelech, unraveling profound insights from the Parsha. Whether you're deeply versed in Torah study or just beginning your journey, Rabbi Kolakowski's teachings are accessible and inspiring. His unique approach not only sheds light on the text but also offers practical guidance for modern life. So, why not join us and discover the timeless wisdom of the Noam Elimelech? With Rabbi Kolakowski, every Parsha becomes a path to deeper understanding and personal growth. Tune in and let the Koblenzer Rebbe illuminate your week with Torah truths that resonate. Subscribe now to stay inspired and spiritually connected.
Yibnei HaMikdash, Hirtzia in the Malai.